fuqTV.
Yeah, what she said.
I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. 5.56, but it multi-chamber 223 gon' hit you and plank you. Mama told you that you was in danger. Cartier'GOD straight out the manger. I don't know what it is on my angle, but I don't do well around stranger. Nigga looking at me crazy, I bang you. Fuck nigga, you ain't snatching my chain up. All black and I'm riding in beam. Mini Mac and they got a blue beam. All in the traffic gon' swerve with her. Hey, bad bitch in the passenger. Draco with lappers, tactical. She gon' hold stick when I'm smashing up. You already see, yeah. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick. I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Since a kid, I've been breaking the law. Fought that ball, and then right by my ball. Put your bitch, and I took her to mall. She said she wants some cute panties and bras. New challenger, it's a last call. Make 11 and then shoot through the wall. Nigga running, jumping like a pole vault. Keep the stick, nigga, like pole vault. Walkin' lick, nigga, just like a bleener. All of these rap, I pull up and beamer. Up on my dope, you spreading my wings. You know no strap, just like some feelers. See through you niggas, just like tequila. Keep it at 9mm. Yeah. Gotta catch stick, I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick, I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick, I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick, I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick, I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick, I'ma walk and lick, then get hit with a 5.56. Gotta catch stick, I'ma